Hi guys, welcome to a new guitar tutorial. In this video we're going to take a look at how to play what this is probably the most popular guitar riff in whole history. And this is a really easy one, perfect for beginners, and I think that every guitar player in the world wants to know this guitar riff. This is Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. So tune your guitar and let's start. To play this guitar riff, we're going to use only the 3rd string and the 4th string. And we play those two strings both with the guitar pick. It's really important that you don't play until you come to the 2nd string, or you start from the 5th. Only the 4th and 3rd. Then with the right hand, there are different ways to play this song, but I'm going to show you the way that I think that it's easier. And what I do is that I take the 2nd finger and I put it on the 3rd fret 4th string, and the 3rd finger comes on the 3rd fret 3rd string. And then with the right hand we play the same strings that we played before. The 4th and the 3rd. Okay? So if you feel that it's easier to use those two fingers, or maybe you prefer to use only one finger to hold down both strings, both ways works exactly the same way. Just choose the one that fits better for you. Okay? But as I said, I'm going to show you the way that I think that it's easier. So I use the 2nd and 3rd finger. And we start with 0, 3, and then we move the hand until the 5th fret. And there we have the first part of the riff. 0, 3, 5. You got it? Then we start again with the 0, 3, but now we come to the 6, and then 5. When we change from 6 to 5, we're going to play a little bit faster. That's the 2nd part of the riff. I'm going to put together the first part and the 2nd part now. Play it again. Let's try it together now. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try again. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. And then we come to the last part of the riff, and it's 0, 3, 5, 3, 0. Again, between the last 3 and the 0, there's a little bit faster. I'll show you how it is. One more time. Let's try this last part together. 1, 2, 3, and... One more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice! So let's put all the 3 parts together, and it becomes like this. it. Let's try together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... And that was Smoke on the Water. It wasn't that difficult, don't you think? Remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you liked it, just give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.